Hi, everyone. I'm Rena 9, and prosecutors are moving to dismiss charges against the man convicted of killing Capitol Hill intern Chandra Levy. Ingmar Gwandika was convicted 6 years ago for Levy's murder in 2001, the 2001 murder in Washington, D.C.'s Rock Creek Park. But last year, he was granted a new trial, and now prosecutors say they don't feel they'd be able to convict him again based on, quote, recent unforeseen developments that were investigated over the past week. CBS News Justice reporter Paula Reid is in Washington with the new details. Paula, why are they moving to dismiss the charges?
Rena, this is incredibly unusual. The Department of Justice does not frequently just dismiss a case like this out of the blue, particularly a case that is going to retrial. They've already tried this once. They're very familiar, and they felt that they had to try it once again. But as you noted, in a statement, all the Department of Justice said was that they were moving to dismiss the case because they no longer could prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt, citing recent unforeseen circumstances. It's a very vague statement, of course, related to a case that has prompted national interest for over 15 years. So at this point, it is not clear why they are moving to dismiss these charges.
15 years, such a long time, Paula. Why hasn't this murder been solved?
That's a great question. Obviously, it came to such national attention because Chandra Levy was having a romantic relationship with then Congressman Gary Condit. Now, he was cleared. However, defense attorneys for Ingmar Gwandika recently filed a motion saying that they wanted to depose several women who had had sexual relationships with Condit, who would allegedly testify that he was interested in, quote, rough sex and bondage. There seemed to be an inference in this defense motion that perhaps they were trying to make the point that Chandra Levy could have potentially been injured, or perhaps he was inspired to kill her, had a motive, quote unquote, to kill her because of his interest in rough sex and bondage. Again, those are allegations coming from Ingmar Gwandika's defense attorneys in a motion to the court. So right now, no one has said that that is specifically why, those depositions, why they have dismissed these charges, but that appears to be a very recent motion, just weeks before they're dismissing this case.
Okay, fascinating development. Paula Reid, thank you.